All right, so this is my week in review. Today is Saturday, March 23rd. I don't have too much time, so let's just jump right into it. This week, I guess we'll start off with line 11 here. I had this TLT. This is actually not a put. This was a put credit spread. So I had a short put at 96 where I sold a put, and then a put at 95 that I bought. I was assigned at the short strike of 96 because the stock was trading right in the middle. This happened in the middle of the week, so it was early assignment, and so that cost me $9,600 to buy those shares. I still had the long put out there. Things were trading right in the middle of it. So what I decided to do was I didn't want to be holding on to these shares and tie up all this money. I decided that I could get a credit for selling to close this long put, and I collected $182 for that. At the time, the shares were trading at $93.25. I got them at $96, so that was taking a $275 loss there. So I wanted to just sell these shares outright at the current lower price for this loss, but I was able to collect back a credit for selling to close the long put. 182 minus 275 was 93, and I had originally collected $50 for this. So if I take that into account, the $50 premium that I originally collected ended up with a $43 total loss. So things don't always go against you. I'm just trying to be honest here with what happened, and that's how that went. So I'll just keep plugging away. You can't win them all, and that's how it goes. Take your losses and move on. Next is line 12, this covered call I had on my 100 shares of AI. I decided I'd gotten the most value out of it. I collected $47 premium, and it cost me $2 to buy that back, so freed up that capital. Next is line 14, this SOXL cash secured put. Again, I'd collected most of the value out of that, and I collected a huge amount at $139 premium, bought it back for $403, so I ended up with $137.97 on that. And then I opened another cash secured put on that here on $322. This will actually expire at $328. So I collected another $76 for that just by closing this out early, not waiting over the weekend. Collected another $76, so waiting on that one. Next is line 15, this PLTR cash secured put I had on it. I rolled this out. I collected $28 premium at first, and it cost me $3 to close this out. And so down here, as you can see where it rolled, I just add another line. I put in when I roll, I just take the cost to buy it back here for the original, and then make a new one with the new premium that I collected. So I was able to collect another $25 and push this one out a week. Next is line 16, this covered call on Unity software that expired. I collected $22 premium on that. Then next is this Snapchat. I rolled this out. Premium collected was $9. Decided I could buy this back for $1 and sold it out, or rolled it out for the same price. Rolled it out by a week, collected another $7. This one's really gone against me, so let's see. Purchased these at $14.50, and since then the price really dropped at one point, and so I've been just trying to collect premium, hoping this is going to go up. At some point I might just take the loss and sell these off at the current market price and get rid of it, but for right now, I can at least collect a little bit of premium each week and try to make up the difference. So I might break even eventually. And if the stock price goes up, then, well, I've held on to it, and I'll sell at that time. Next, line 18 is AI again. I've been dealing with this stock quite a bit. I collected $42 on this put, and it expired. So I've got the 100 shares again to do another covered call. And line 19, this SoundCloud AI. I had picked these up for $9, sold a covered call on this, and expired worthless. I collected $75 in premium. This is another one that's kind of dropped quite a bit. Picked these up for $9. It's currently selling for like $606. So I'm going to keep doing covered calls on these, see if I can collect some premium. But again, it's gone down, so I'll just keep an eye on that, and hopefully the price will go back up, and I can sell off the shares or just do more covered calls against it with the stock I have. Line 20, AI again. I had 100 shares, so I decided to sell a covered call at the $31 strike price. I collected $24 premium for that one. AI again on 321. I sold another call because I had another 100 shares, so that's in process. Collected $20 premium for that. cover this SOXL, the Snapchat, and PLTR. So that's it for my week. I'm currently up 897. I still got all next week and this month to go, so hopefully I'll get this up past 1,000. So there's wins and losses, and what you want to do is keep your wins higher than your losses. Over time, you're going to have losses, and this is how my week went. So I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.